Hi, this is Bryant Troupe from Gravity IT Solutions. I'm a BNI member in a chapter in Rockland, California. I'm recording a quick video because we just finished our training on the new BNI online platform. And one of the things that came out of that training is that users were having issues using other browsers. So the recommended browser to use with Zoom for meetings is Google Chrome. And not everybody knows how to get that set up on their computer. So I wanted to show you through that process. And this is in particular for Windows 10 users. So the default browser in Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge. And so if you see the E on your computer, that is the Edge browser. And it is, again, by the default in Windows, the default browser. So first thing you would need to do if you don't already have it is you need to download Chrome. And to download Chrome, you can go to google.com/Chrome, type that into your browser, and that will pull up the page for Google Chrome, and you can click Download Chrome. And I actually already have it installed, so I don't need to do that on my computer, but you'd click Download Chrome, it would start the process, just follow the instructions on the screen to get it installed. Once it's installed, you will have an icon that likely appears on your desktop that looks like this. And so this is the Google Chrome logo. So that's what the browser looks like when you open Google Chrome. So you will launch that browser. And once you launch the browser, the upper right hand corner, you have these three little dots that you can click on. And you want to go to Settings. And it will load down and you'll scroll down. While there are a number of other settings here that I could go into, the one that we're most concerned about is making Chrome your default browser. So right toward the bottom, there's default browser, and we're going to click the button to make Chrome the default browser. So when I click that button, it's going to pull up a Windows settings screen, and the default browser, as I said, is Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to click on that, and it actually shows all the other browsers that I have installed. So depending on what browsers you have on your PC, it may have any of these other ones initially selected, and you're going to choose Chrome as your browser. And then you close this window. So that now sets Chrome as your default browser. So the last part that you probably will want to do is clean up any icons that you use to get to your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and close out Chrome, and I'm going to close out Edge, and I'll just close all the tabs that are open. And so I've got Edge here, which I don't want to use anymore because I want to use Chrome as my default. So I can just drag and drop that into the trash. You can also highlight it and hit the delete button on your keyboard, or right click on it and choose delete, and it will move it from your desktop. Now, if you'd like to add Chrome, if you notice, Edge is also down here on my taskbar. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to unpin that from the taskbar. So now when I launch Chrome, it comes up as the default browser. I can right click on it when I have it open, and I can say pin to taskbar. What that does is now when I close Chrome and I'm not using it, it's still down here so I can get to it very easily and launch it whenever I need to. So those are the main things you need to do to switch your browser. Another important thing, Chrome actually auto updates for the most part. If for some reason you believe your Chrome browser is not updated, what you can do, you click on the double dots, you go to Help and About Chrome. And when it pulls up, it will actually pull up this thing, and right here in the middle, it tells me the status of my Chrome. And as you can see, my Chrome is actually up to date. So Chrome will usually auto update. If you close your browser and reopen it, it actually updates automatically. So those are some things to get started with BNI Online, and good luck getting started with that. And if you ever need questions, you can reach out to me and find me through BNI Connect. Again, my name is Bryant Troupe, and my company is Gravity IT Solutions. Thank you.